Hi there! In this video, it's time to practice what we have already learned. Our task is to write an algorithm that creates repeated patterns using characters. I'm sure you can do it using a for loop, but I will show you a different way. How about creating an empty box that has no lid? Why not? So let's get down to work. First of all, let's define a function that takes three arguments: c, m, and n. That function will create an open box with m rows and n columns made of characters defined by the c variable. We will print the program line by line, starting from the top. As we want to print a box that is open from the top, we will need to create sides first with an empty space between them. The sides of the box will have character c at the beginning, then n number of spaces, and our c character again at the end. Our function needs to return m minus 1 sides in our bottom row. The bottom row will have n elements made of c. In our case, we will use a character x as an argument for c. You can change it later and run the code with any letter you want. Remember that the last character of our resulting text string should be the argument for c, not the newline character. Why? Because the print function adds a newline character automatically after printing the string. Now let's call our open_box function inside the print function so we can see it on the screen. And there it is. You have just learned a different algorithm for repeating patterns. Instead of repeating the pattern with a for loop, we added strings, multiplied a string by an integer, and used the newline character to jump to the next line. Try running the function open_box with different numbers of rows or columns, or using different characters.